How to create an account on your Meitu app. So after downloading, open your app, then accept both options and tap on the agree button. After tapping on agree, your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see 4 options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the me option, which is located on the bottom right corner. Then after tapping on it, you'll see a login button at the top of your page. Simply tap on it. Then the app will give you 3 options between Google, Facebook and email. Choose your preferred option. I'll go with Google and tap on login. Then after choosing your email, you will be logged in into the Meitu app, and it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.